If you were to build the perfect ship, what would it embody? More beauty without excess, more choice, a ship where nothing is compromised, only elevated. This is the vision behind Oceania Sonata. One of life's greatest luxuries is space. Space to breathe, to reflect, to come together. Oceania Sonata is our most spacious ship to date, 1/3 larger than Oceania Vista and Allura, yet carrying just 190 more guests. Conceived on an intimate human scale, she embodies the elegant onboard ambiance our guests treasure. At Oceania Cruises, hospitality has never just been about how we serve people, but how we make you feel welcomed, cared for, and truly at ease. With more than 850 crew members caring for just 1,390 guests, Sonata offers a level of service that feels personal, intuitive, and sincere. Every one of our officers and crew shares the same purpose: to ensure each journey feels effortless. Nearly 1/3 of all accommodations aboard Sonata are suites, new expressions of indulgence, from the expansive Horizon Suite to magnificent new 2-bedroom owner's suites. Here, comfort is expansive, refined, and deeply considered. Dining is at the heart of everything we do at Oceania Cruises. Debuting aboard Sonata, La Table par Maître Cuisinier de France, the most exclusive fine dining restaurant at sea, seating just 18 guests, and the only restaurant at sea launched with the seal of approval of the Maître Cuisinier de France. Did you know that Oceania Cruises is the only cruise line in the world with 2 master chefs of France guiding our culinary vision? At Nikkei Kitchen, vibrant Peruvian flavors meet refined Japanese technique. In total, 10 exceptional culinary experiences, each one composed to delight. Oceania Sonata's inaugural journeys carry travelers from Europe's storied shores to the Caribbean, through the Panama Canal, and onward to the western shores of the Americas. With longer days in port, overnight stays in cities like Istanbul and Bordeaux, and thousands of thoughtfully curated tours, these voyages invite guests not to rush the world, but to truly experience it. Oceania Sonata brings together space and intimacy, craftsmanship and comfort, cuisine, culture, and care. A ship designed without compromise, because when every element is in harmony, the journey becomes something extraordinary.